YouTube video. Big ups because I finally made it. Thanks to y'all. Yeah, so this is my very first YouTube video. I had posted a picture on Instagram maybe like 3 or 4 days ago with these curls. Yes, queen, 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 yeah! And everyone loved them. So I got a lot of messages on how I achieve this look. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Honestly, I've had these curls for about maybe like 3 to 4 days. I feel like it can go a lot longer. And it could also have a lot more body because I didn't pull out all the curls. Oh shit. Bruh. I didn't pull out all the curls, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead, wet it down, and show you guys the whole process. Oh y'all, and I have one earring on. What in the ghetto? I'm sorry. We here for a good time. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this video. This is gonna be a voiceover, but if you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, I will definitely do more protective styles because I am heatless. I've been heatless for the last 2 years and all natural. I do a lot of protective styles, so if that's stuff that you want to see, definitely let me know. Let's get started. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I did use Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Sulfate Free shampoo and conditioner, which I absolutely love. Honey, I love Carol and her daughter for that product. Yeah, so definitely go purchase. I'm just going in with some leave-in conditioner by Creme of Nature, making sure that it is all in my hair. So it's really important to start from the back and work your way to the front. 1, you can control the hair better this way, and 2, it prevents hair getting stuck from another section into the perm rod, which can be really annoying. I'm using the orange perm rod because of the length of my hair. Depending on the length of your hair is the color perm rod you want to use. They have white, which is smaller, and then teal, which is bigger. Use the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and the Cantu styling gel on each section. I don't just use styling gel because it can cause a little crunch, which it's not cute, honey, okay? Pour your section with tension before starting your perm rod. Wrap it about 5 times in one place to lock it in, then start rolling up. Okay, so you want to take a full spiral midway on your roll and take another full spiral midway on your next roll, and then keep rolling to your root. Tighten it. Lock the perm rod at the bottom. Make sure you comb those curls out, okay? It will make your process a lot easier as far as getting it on that perm rod. Your section size also matters. The bigger the section, the bigger the curl. The smaller the section, the smaller the curl, which can affect your volume. All right, one more time, y'all. Go ahead and pull that tension, lock it in place, roll up. Here's your first spiral all the way around. All right, slow-mo, hurry it up. Roll up. Here's your second spiral all the way around. And then go ahead and finish rolling all the way up to your root. When you're at your root, definitely pull some tension. Don't pull too hard where you're going to be uncomfortable. But definitely make sure you pull at that root because it will make your roots look a lot better in the morning. Depending on how long your hair is will determine how many spiral turns you'll get in between. If your hair is longer, you'll probably get 2 to 3. If your hair is shorter, you're going to get 1, which is fine. Once you get to the top, you'll want to choose where you want your part to be. Normally, I do mine in the middle, but honestly, it really doesn't matter because once I start taking it down in the morning, and start separating all my curls. I'm more focused on the body and I end up having no part, which I like. But if you do want a more defined part, I would put edge control or some type of jam there so it looks neat. So the point of the 360 turns or the spiral turns in between is so that it gives you more of that spiral look. You want to use the full perm rod when you are wrapping the hair. If you don't use it, it will give you like a clump curl, which I don't like personally. I like that more spiral look, and I like the length to come out in my curls. Okay, here we go, y'all. Here we go. Pay attention. Lock it in. Roll full spiral. Keep rolling up. Your second full spiral. Keep rolling to the root. Okay, so I did about 6 slow moves. I know y'all got it by now. I know y'all do. But if y'all don't, y'all got one more coming. One more coming. Here it goes. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning the very next day, and I am getting ready for work, so I do have a towel on. Thank you very much. Before you take your perm rods down, just make sure that your hair is fully dry, especially in that root area, because the last thing you want is a limp curl. When I'm taking out my hair, you want to take out the perm rod the same way that you put in. So spiral down the same way you spiraled up. You want your curl to come out nice and neat. I just take a little bit of oil before I start to pull out my curls because it helps with the frizziness. Because my hair is colored, I do have to watch my ends. When I'm taking apart the curls, I simply split it in two and wrap my finger around, keeping that same spiral. You can split the curls more than twice. Depending on how big you want your hair or how much volume you want, you will split about 3-4 times. I normally just split it twice because it lasts longer for me. This is the most important part of this whole process. This is going to make or break your style, I'm telling y'all. You want to take a wide tooth comb and pull out your root throughout your whole head. Continue to play with it, pull it out some more if you need to. Make it as big as you want. But just make sure that you pull out that root. This is my process on my perm rod set and the lovely curls that you all were asking for. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you try it, definitely tag me and let me know how it goes. Bye.